Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account professional, how to switch from your current account type to professional account. Very easy guys. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner and click on the profile picture. Then when you're at your account, I want you to hit the three straight lines on the top right corner. When you're there, I want you to click on settings and privacy. When you're at settings and privacy, I want you to scroll down to the section for professionals and please click on creator tools and controls. When you're over here, I want you to scroll down and click on the option that is called switch account type. When you're over here, all you gotta do is to click on the second option, which is switch to business account. Business accounts are best for retailers, local businesses, and service providers. You can switch back to your previous account, personal or creator, at any time. Just click switch and boom, there you have it. Now, instead of account type and tools, we have a business tools and control. Right over here, you have a bunch of different functions to run your business, run ads, and make a lot more sales. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.